Hi, and welcome back to this channel. So today I am going to teach you how to fix Synapse X is not currently updated. So please wait for an update to release. So if you encounter this message, it means that the version of Synapse X you are using is outdated and needs to be updated. So Synapse X is a popular exploit software used with Roblox, and it usually requires periodic updates to ensure compatibility with the game and to address any security concerns. So here's what you can do to fix the issue. So first, you need to check for updates. So you need to visit the official Synapse X website or the community forum to check if there's a new update available. Look for any announcements or release notes related to the latest version of Synapse X, and just download and install the updated if the update if it is available. So next is to restart Synapse X. So close Synapse X completely and relaunch it, because sometimes a restart can trigger an automatic update and resolve any temporary issues. So next is to disable antivirus or security software. Sometimes antivirus or security software may interfere with the operation of Synapse X or its update process. So temporarily disable your antivirus software or add any exemption for Synapse X in your security settings. Just be cautious when disabling security software and ensure that you re-enable it once you have updated Synapse X. Next is to reinstall Synapse X. So if restarting or updating Synapse X doesn't resolve the issue, you can try reinstalling the software. Uninstall the Synapse X completely from your computer and then download the latest version from the official website and reinstall it. So this ensures that you have a fresh installation that should include the latest updates. So next and lastly is to contact Synapse X support. So if none of the above steps work again, it is best to reach out to Synapse X or to reach out to the company for assistance. So they may have specific instructions or solutions for the issue you are experiencing. So just visit the official Synapse X website or their support portal to find contact information or seek help from their community. Just remember that using exploit software, including Synapse X, can violate the terms of service of certain games and lead to account bans or other consequences. So just make sure that you use such software responsibly and within the guidelines set by the game developers. So that is all for this video, and I hope you like it. So please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss any video. So thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.